Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious cheesy steak dipping burritos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, we're going to begin by seasoning our meat. Here I have 2 pounds of thin sliced flank steak. Going to transfer it to a bowl. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, along with all of our spices. As always, it will be listed in the description box. Just going to mix it all together. Make sure that the meat gets nice and coated with all of the spices. Okay, once we have our meat, we're going to allow it to sit for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make our dipping sauce. For our creamy chipotle sauce, in a bowl, we're going to add our sour cream, along with our mayo, chipotle and adobo sauce, our chopped pickled jalapeno along with its juice, and all of our spices. Just going to give it a good mix. Okay, here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust it, but for me it's always perfect. So we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our avocado ranch dip. Okay, for our avocado ranch sauce, we're going to be adding our avocados to a bowl. And I'm going to be using 1.5 small avocados, or you can use 1 large one. Okay, along with that, just going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice, about 1 tablespoon. Now we're going to begin to smash it down. Once it's nice and smashed, add the sour cream, mayo, buttermilk, and ranch seasoning. Along with that, a pinch of salt. So now we're just going to give it a good mix. Okay, now here you can give it a taste and see if you need to adjust it. But just like that, we have our sauces. So now we're just going to keep them in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. Alrighty guys, so once our meat has been marinating for at least 20 minutes, now we can take it to the stove. Okay, we're going to heat up our pan. Once it's nice and hot, add the meat. And you can do this step in batches. Just make sure not to overcrowd the meat. Now we're just going to cook our meat for 5 minutes or until it's fully cooked. Okay, after 5 minutes, our steak should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And now we're just going to sprinkle our 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it together. And once you have mixed the flour with the steak, add 1/2 cup of water. And just mix it until the water evaporates. And after a few minutes, our steak is done. So now we can get ready to make our burritos. Okay, now to make the burritos, I already preheated my fajita flour tortillas. So they're going to be nice and flexible. To that, we're going to add our 4 blend cheese. Top it with the meat. And these are little burritos, so you don't want to overstuff it. Just grab the ends, grab one side, and begin to roll it. Just like that. And we repeat the process with the rest of our tortillas. And once we have our burritos, now we can get ready to finish them up. Okay, so begin by heating up your comal over medium-low heat. Once it's nice and hot, place 2 of the burritos seam down. We're just going to seal them. Okay, so once we have sealed that side, just going to flip them over to the side and set them to the side. And here we're going to be melting our cheese. So make kind of like a little bit. Get the burrito, place it on top of the cheese. Just press it down and allow the cheese to melt. Okay, and once the cheese fully melts, grab the ends and kind of pull it to cover the burrito. And now we're just going to flip them over. Just like that. Okay, once you have them, our burritos are ready, so we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. I promise you, it won't disappoint. So I am so ready. Of course, you can always add the sauce inside the burrito, but I just like to dip it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so simple, yet so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious cheesy steak dipping burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.